The year is 2026, and while the world is focused on the latest incremental upgrades, something massive is happening behind the closed doors of Apple Park. Deep within the Steve Jobs Theater, a project known internally as Project Titan Glass is reaching its final stages. We aren't talking about the iPhone 17 or 18. We are talking about the milestone that is set to change human-computer interaction forever. The iPhone 20, or as the leaks are calling it, the iPhone XX. Why should you care about a phone that's years away? Because for the first time since 2007, Apple is about to kill the smartphone as we know it. They aren't just adding a better camera or a faster chip this time. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They are preparing to merge the digital world with your physical reality in a way that feels like science fiction. But there's a dark side to this innovation, a cost that goes far beyond the $1,000 price tag. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on every leaked patent, every supply chain whisper, and the secret zero-port design that Apple has been hiding for a decade. If you think your current phone is smart, you have no idea what's coming. Stick around, because we're revealing why the iPhone 20 might be the last phone you ever buy. To understand the iPhone 20, we have to talk about the obsolescence strategy. For years, Apple has been criticized for being boring. They give us a slightly smaller notch, a new color, maybe a titanium frame. But it's all a distraction. The real engineers have been working on the unified OS. Imagine a device that isn't just a phone, but the brain for everything you do. The iPhone 20 XX is rumored to be the first screenless-ready device. We're talking about a chassis made not of metal, but of a new, self-healing crystalline material. Scratches. They vanish in seconds. Drops. The material absorbs the kinetic energy and redistributes it. This isn't just a rumor. Apple's 2024 patents for molecularly deformable surfaces prove they are building a phone that literally cannot be broken. But let's talk about the display. Or rather, the lack of one. The iPhone XX is rumored to feature the A21 Pro display. This isn't OLED. It's not micro-LED. It's a holographic-ready interface that can project information 3 to 4 inches off the surface of the glass. Imagine playing a game where the characters aren't just on your screen, but standing on top of your phone. Imagine a FaceTime call where the person's face looks like a 3D bust sitting in your hand. This is the ghost tech that Apple has been acquiring startups for over the last 5 years. But here is where it gets controversial. The iPhone 20 is rumored to be the first device with neural sync. This is Apple's answer to Neuralink. No, they aren't putting a chip in your brain, at least not yet. Instead, they are using high-frequency biosensors in the frame of the phone that can read the electrical impulses in your skin. Have you ever thought about calling someone, and then your phone suggests that exact contact? You think it's a coincidence. It's not. The iPhone 20 is designed to predict your intent before you even touch the screen. Critics are calling it the death of privacy, but Apple is calling it intimacy by design. Which side are you on? Because by the time this phone drops, the line between your thoughts and your data is going to be thinner than ever. Let's address the elephant in the room, the battery. Every year, we get all-day battery life, which really means 10 hours if you don't